Welcome to London, where something a little magical is happening this spring. Scattered across the city, from the cobbled streets of Covent Garden to the sleek skyline of Canary Wharf, over 120 beautifully crafted eggs have appeared, each a tiny masterpiece, waiting to be discovered. Each egg you see here has been designed by some of the world's most iconic artists, brands, and designers, from fashion houses like Jimmy Choo to whimsical creators like Mr. Doodle. Even royalty has joined the fun with King Charles and Queen Camilla, commissioning a very special Humpty Dumpty Green Man egg, standing proudly near Buckingham Palace. Using the official app, visitors are challenged to hunt, scan, and unlock the full collection. Along the way there are surprises, prizes, and plenty of photo opportunities. Whether you're an art lover, a family out for a spring adventure, or just a curious wanderer, the Big Egg Hunt transforms London into a giant outdoor gallery, full of color, imagination, and a few hidden stories. Every egg found helps support Elephant Family, a charity dedicated to protecting endangered wildlife and landscapes across South Asia. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to explore more amazing events around London and beyond.